It's Valentine's Day, and I know you've got a special someone who you've probably got flowers and chocolates and a nice date out with, but why not share some love for your books too? Specifically, why not run some Amazon ads to help increase your book sales and also help increase your readership? We're going to talk about how to lay the groundwork for success in preparing for running successful ads. We're going to talk about how to set up your ads. And most importantly, we're going to do all of this in just a few minutes so that you can get up and running in no time. And I'd like to thank Amazon Ads for sponsoring this video. Remember, readers don't go to Amazon just to buy books. They also go there to discover books. And Amazon Ads are a great way to help boost the discoverability of your books and get them in front of readers who are looking for their next book to buy. I've been using Amazon Ads since 2017, and they have played a big role in helping me increase my book sales and grow my readership. Amazon Ads appear in searches on Amazon, and you've probably searched for a book and you've noticed these ads while scrolling through the search results. They say sponsored just below the book cover. You can also find ads on book product display pages as well. Now, when you run an ad, you only pay if a reader clicks on the ad. That's why this is called pay-per-click advertising. I like Amazon Ads because they're easy to set up and easy to manage. You can set up an ad in less than 5 minutes, and you have access to a dashboard that tells you if your ads are working or not, because you're advertising your books on Amazon, and Amazon has all the data and will tell you if you're selling books as a result of your ad. Before we get started with running some ads, we need to do a quick flight check. First, it's highly recommended that you use A+ content on your product display pages. A+ content is a great way to make your product display page more attractive to readers so that when they click on your ads, you're more likely to get them to buy your book. Next, make sure that the books you want to advertise are added to your profile on your Author Central page. Next, make sure that the books you want to advertise are available in the countries that you want to advertise and that those books meet Amazon's ad policy for books. I'll link to that in the video description. You'll also need an Amazon Ads account. We're here on the Amazon Ads website, and we are ready to create our first ad. Now, there are two main types of ads. Sponsored products ads allow you to advertise a single book, and sponsored brands ads allow you to advertise multiple books as well as your author brand. There's also lock screen ads, which show up on the lock screen of Kindle devices. We're going to focus on sponsored products campaigns in this video. We're going to set up our first ad from top to bottom. So the first thing we have to decide is the ad format. Now, there are two types of ads. The first type is a custom text ad, which allows you to add custom text, salesy text, to entice readers to click on the ad and buy the book. The second type of ad is a standard ad, which doesn't have any text, and it's just your book's title and book cover. For the purposes of this video, we're going to go with a custom text ad, but I recommend that you experiment with both types because both can be successful in your Amazon advertising efforts. Next, I'm going to select the book I want to advertise. Shadow Deal, The Good Necromancer Book 1. It's an urban fantasy series about a necromancer who uses his powers for good. I'm going to advertise the ebook in this video, but I also recommend that you run ads on your trade paperback as well, using the same steps that we're going to follow in this video, because there are some readers out there that prefer a physical book rather than a digital one. Next up, we're going to choose our targeting. Now, targeting is about who you want to reach and how you're going to reach them. If you choose automatic targeting, Amazon will do the heavy lifting and select the products and keywords for you. You don't have to do anything. If you choose manual targeting, you have to enter your own keywords for the products that you wish to target. You can target by categories and specific keywords. If you're just getting started, then automatic targeting is the best way to go because Amazon does all the heavy lifting for you. Next, we're going to enter a bid. What is a bid, you ask? A bid is how much you are willing to pay for a reader to click your ad. You decide how much to bid, and you can adjust it at any time. So Amazon will recommend a default bid. I have found that I can go lower than that amount and still be pretty competitive with my ads, and that saves me some money over the course of my ad campaigns. So I wouldn't go lower than 40 cents, but in this case, you might try 60 cents and see how that gets you. So for the purpose of this example, we'll try 60 cents here. Since we created a custom text ad, we have this creative section that allows us to enter some sales copy to make our ad more enticing to readers. So we're going to do that. Make sure you keep your text brief, salesy, and don't forget to proofread it. So we have to select a campaign bidding strategy. We'll take this from bottom to top. If you select fixed bids, then Amazon will use your exact bid, no more, no less. If you select dynamic bids down only, Amazon will start with your bid and it will lower your bid in real time if it thinks you're less likely to make a sale in a way to help you save cost. If you select dynamic bids up and down, then Amazon will start with your bid and it will increase your bid by up to 100% if it thinks it will convert to a click. On the other hand, it will also decrease your bid in real time if you're less likely to get a click as well. If you're just starting off with Amazon ads, I would start with dynamic bids down only and see how that does for you. And last but not least, we've got to give our campaign a name, set your end date, and then set your daily budget, which I recommend $10 a day, and so does Amazon. I've been running Amazon ads since 2017, and I found that Amazon almost never spends my daily budget. But having a higher daily budget does mean that you have an opportunity to win more bids, which can lead to more sales. Now that you know how to run your first Amazon ads sponsored products campaigns, you can check them off your Valentine's to-do list. Flowers, check. Chocolates, check. Dinner at a nice French restaurant, check. Amazon ads, check. Trust me, your readers and your books will thank you for it. Thanks again to Amazon Ads for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn more about the resources I mentioned in this video, I will link to them in the video description below. And if you want to learn even more about Amazon ads, stay tuned to the next video, which is coming up right now.